In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best treadmill for home use available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Treadmill users are familiar with the Soul F80, which has consistently outstanding ratings across all categories. The machine has a maximum user weight of 375 pounds, comes with a rock-solid guarantee, and Soul has a reputation for service, which is great news for large families or individuals with guests. The Cushion Flex Whisper Deck, which lowers joint impact by 40%, is also a huge plus. It's easy to see why the Soul F80 made it onto our list of the best home treadmills for 2021. The Soul F80 has a wide 22 by 60 running deck that is perfect for the whole family, a commercial-grade 3.5 HP engine that can support both running and walking, and a power incline of up to 15% to sculpt your lower body, a 9 inches LCD panel with 10 preset programs for entertainment and workout stats tracking, as well as a built-in tablet holder to dock your device, and Bluetooth connectivity for audio and stats tracking will be available. Soul just debuted a new linked fitness experience based on the popular Studio app. With professionally led exercises and real-time data, this integration takes the at-home workout to new levels of social involvement. Horizon focused on features that allow you more choice over your workout rather than tying you into its own training ecosystem. The 7.0 offers limited training capabilities, yet it connects to an iPad or Android tablet with ease. Because there's no built-in television, this keeps prices down, but it also gives you the opportunity to take Peloton lessons or run with Swift. We appreciate how the thumb dials on the hand grips are situated chest high, allowing you to rapidly control your speed and incline. It feels much more natural than fumbling with buttons on a console. We don't usually recommend home treadmills under $1,000 because they usually have small engines and wobbly chassis, but the 7.0 is surprisingly stable. We placed it up in one of our testers' home, and he discovered that the deck didn't tremble even after months of use. The belt is a little narrower and shorter than we'd want for jogging, but it's perfect for strolling. Plus, if you're using it in a tiny space, you'll love the low profile. Bowflex's Treadmill 22 is the company's newest and most advanced model, and it's meant to suit everyone. This treadmill is built to last, with a 4-horsepower engine, a 22 inches wide by 60 inches long running path, and Comfort Tech deck cushioning that helps absorb shock even at higher speeds. It was also the top treadmill for stability throughout testing. The treadmill did not shake or wobble no matter how quickly I ran. I was completely supported. It features the widest incline range on the list, ranging from a 5% fall to a 20% incline to simulate jogging up and down hills, and it can support the most human weight 400 pounds. The elevation and speed controls are located on the handles and stability bars, making it simple to regulate the treadmill while working out. This incline treadmill features a 22 inches touchscreen that lets you follow along with trainer-led exercises or stream your favorite shows from a variety of streaming providers. The only drawback is that if you choose to stream, the show will terminate when you finish your workout. It was a disappointment that you couldn't add time or switch to another workout without closing the application and beginning anew. While there are less priced treadmills available, the Horizon Fitness T101 offers the best value for money. It's a little treadmill, measuring only 20 by 55 inches, but it has all of the necessary features that most people will want. It has a 2.25 CHP motor and can reach speeds of up to 10 miles per hour with an incline of up to 10%. On hot workout days, a little cooling fan keeps you from melting by measuring your heart rate through the hand grips. There's a simple command center panel with Bluetooth connectivity, so you can listen to music from your phone through the built-in speakers. The treadmill also comes with roughly 30 pre-programmed workouts. Despite having all of these features, it still manages to fold up, similarly to the Proform Smart Pro 2000, albeit possibly not as efficiently, to save room when not in use. Even so, the pricing is hard to beat, especially now that it's 35% off. Not everyone has a room set aside for use as a full-fledged home gym. If you're short on room, the Goplus 2-in-1 folding treadmill does exactly what it says on the tin. The handrail folds down, allowing the treadmill to be rolled underneath your bed or sofa. The deck is 16 inches wide and 40 inches long, making it convenient to store but a little tight in everyday use. There's also no console at the top of the handrail. Instead, you'll find a small, basic display at your feet that you can manage with a remote. However, there is a phone stand and a Bluetooth speaker. This treadmill is dubbed a 2-in-1 by Goplus since it can be used for walking or jogging up to 2.5 miles per hour with the handrail folded down. With the rails raised, you may reach a top speed of 7 miles per hour thanks to the 2.25 chp motor. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.